Assalamu alaikum and welcome to SPS Trekking Club 32nd Expedition Soochi Pass. We've started our journey from Hamrun. It is 20 kilometers away from Dahim al-Ghizar. Today is our first day. Let's hope for the best. Be with us. In terms of different age groups, SPS Trekking Club is very diversified. For smooth functioning of the team, opening meetings every day are essential where the previous days are reviewed. Direction is set. It also helps in team building and consensus development, which provides a healthy ecosystem for learning. In this track, we were greeted by the green fields of the local area. Right now I'm standing at 4,000 meters near Soochi Pass, introducing to you Soochi Lake. It was an unnamed lake. It was named because of its nearness to Soochi Pass at the consensus of SPS Trekking Club. It is a fact that the vision of eyes is much greater than the lens of the camera, but I hope that it can tell you what we are experiencing, what beauty we are experiencing right now. This lush green theme was carried on for the next 2 days. However, from day 3, the green fields were at times replaced by boulders. But with an average altitude gain of 300 meters and beautiful camping sites, we were truly inspired by the beauty on offer. In addition to that, the flow of water and availability of trout fish made our experience delightful. Cheering of team members kept the morale high, which accelerated team enthusiasm.
Doctor Ave! Doctor Ave! Doctor Ave!
With the grace of Almighty Allah, we, SPS Trekking Club, have successfully accomplished Soochi Pass. Right now, we are departing from our last campsite. With this, the expedition ends. I hope our journey convinces you to come to this nature and learn something from it. Thank you very much.